Hello friends, welcome to my iTechHub YouTube channel. Today in this full video, we'll show how to update Instagram in 3 ways on your iPhone. So watch this full video to learn whole process. Now let's begin. First of all, launch the App Store on your iPhone. Next, go to search and search for Instagram. Make sure this is the first trick. Here you can see Instagram, tap on it. Now you may see the update option. Simply tap on update to update your Instagram. That's done. Now go for second trick. For this, just tap on App Store and hold for a while, and then tap on updates option, so that here you can see Instagram app. From here you can update your Instagram app. Just tap on update. So here second trick is done. Now go for third trick. For this, simply open App Store on your iPhone. Now just tap on your account's profile. Here scroll down to find updates. You may find Instagram for update. Tap on Instagram for more. Here just tap on update to update your Instagram with latest version. So that's how easily you can update your Instagram app. Hope it has helped you. So please like this video and subscribe our channel.